my last ring pour with the gold, silver and bronze on a black background. What I've decided to do is, rather than do the black background, I'm going to incorporate the black into the three colours. So I've got some of the paint left over. I'm going to pour in a layer of black and then some more of each of the colours. Let's see. I think this will give a better result. There's no silicone in any of these colours. So right, let's give it a go. The bronze is really taking over. Silver. Okay, let's just some beautiful rings there. Let's try the gold's really coming to the surface. Black seems to have totally disappeared. Let's try and center this up a bit. Oh wow, the real gold has really come to the forefront there. Don't want to lose this bronze. It's I love trying out different colour combinations. Right, I seem to have lost quite. Well, that is quite unusual. It actually looks like a piece of wood. I know we call them ring pours. That really does look like wood. Right, I'm just going to gently torch this. Let's see a few bubbles. Yeah, I'm very pleased with that. Something totally different. At this point, I was going to show you a picture of the finished painting. Unfortunately, while it was drying, the painting and this one from my other video, I knocked the table, the canvas slipped over and all the paint ran off without me noticing, ruining both these paintings. I'm really gutted. Anyway, I can't stress how important it is to make sure that when you leave your paintings to dry, that they're on a level and stable surface. I'm going to do another video in a day or so showing how I will do that in future. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.